Over the next 1 week, the Ministry of Education will be trying to trace 130,000 students who are yet to report to Form 1, despite sitting for the KCPE exam last year. Education Cabinet Secretary Amina Mohamed has launched a countrywide last-mile Form 1 admission campaign in efforts aimed at helping the government achieve its intended 100% transition. 6 counties, including Mombasa, Lamu, Kwale, Samburu, Isiolo and Tana River, have recorded a low percentage of students reporting to Form 1. The ministry has also raised concerns over Nairobi County that has only recorded 76% turnout in those transitioning to Form 1. Amina spoke earlier today at Parklands Arya Girls High School.